Hi guys, my name is Olivia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now, I'm getting ready to go to a car show. If you don't know me or if you just don't know it, I love cars. I just like cars. I like things that go fast. I like motorcycles, etc, etc. I don't really know much about motorcycles, but they're just cool. I'm also a huge Formula 1 fan. Like, I could talk for hours about Formula 1. I'm even making a motorsports club at my school because I like it so much. I'm starting to get into NASCAR and MotoGP. So I can say I kind of know what's going on with motorsports. Like, I know what DRS is. I know what a V6, V8, V10 engine is. I know what 3-liter mean. I kind of know a little bit. The place I'm going to, it's like a 2-week long thing, so hopefully it'll still be like as much people and as much things happening as when it started, because I'm kind of going when it's ending. Is this my shade? It is. I'm very pale. Okay. What was I saying? I don't know. I was like prepping before recording. Like, I usually talk to myself before I record. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna say this and this and this, and then I forget what I'm gonna say. But I'm obviously gonna bring you along. I'm gonna show you the super cool cars. Obviously Ferrari. I think they're gonna have Ferraris. Porsche, obviously. And it's Porsche. It's not Porsche, it's Porsche. Also later, I'm gonna go to a cafe with my friend. Probably Starbucks, because that's a cafe in the area. I recently finished a book called The City of Nightbirds. So good. It was so good. It's about a Russian ballerina who was in an accident and she's kind of getting back to it, but then it's also kind of like cutting to her childhood, and Russian dancers are crazy. Like, they are amazing. I also do ballet. I'm probably gonna start Circe by Madeline Miller. I love Greek mythology. I read Song of Achilles. Such a good book. Also really good. Madeline Miller is really good. And then there's also another writer about Greek mythology. Her name is Natalie Haynes. Also amazing, just so good. And Natalie focuses more on the woman, because back then, like, there weren't really a lot of women stuff. Like, women were mostly in the background, which is surprising because, like, Athena, you know, you're like, wait, but if women were mostly in the background, why did Athena, a female, have such a powerful thing? But it's like, the Greeks were just like, yeah, we love this woman, but other women, no. I'm gonna talk a lot today. My throat is gonna absolutely die. I don't know. I'm gonna probably drink some tea before I leave. My throat has been killing me. Like, in the morning, I cannot talk without having something warm, like coffee. The brush went in my eye. It snowed earlier. It didn't stick, but it snowed. Favorite mascara ever. It does take really long to get it off though, even with a makeup wipe. Oh, she's crusty. My storage is gonna absolutely die today. The second after I said that, my phone was like, no more storage for you. So I just deleted so many pictures and so many videos. I need a camera or something like that. I'm gonna, when I start getting paid on YouTube, I'm gonna save up for a camera, so that it's also like better quality for you guys and it's easier for me. I think that's good for hair. This is the outfit. I also did my hair a little bit. Bag is from Ross. The jacket is from Depop. The shirt is from Hollister and the pants are from Hollister. I'm gonna wear my New Balance 411. I think that's what they are. Just because they're comfy and they look good. Okay, we're here and we just saw an Arizona car. Absolutely amazing. I love also that seat. Guys, a purple Ferrari. I love the color and it's so sparkly. That's me. As I love cars so much, like for Christmas, and then like it lights up. This is so cute. I'm actually in heaven right now. I love everything going on. Look how also like the thing is so tilted. Oh yeah, it's like ombre in the, so cool. But this is like, it's tilted for better grip, so that when they go fast, it's like, honestly that's like insanely tilted though. I did more research on it and it's called camber. It's supposed to help with grip, but it's more for race cars, and it also helps with drifting, but it does wear out your tires like 3 times as fast because you're putting so much weight on the corner of the tire. And then it also, if you're lower your car, it's just bad for the framework, so don't do that to your car. It's mostly for aesthetics, but personally, I don't really think it looks that good. Like, it's cool. I would not do that to my car. Just, yeah, because it wears out your tires quickly, and it's not like you're going 100 miles per hour every day. So to each their own, I guess. Like, if you do it, cool, you have the money to buy new tires every month, but I'm good. Absolutely over the moon. I love cars, and I also got to see Ferraris. I love Ferraris. And I also saw Porsches. 3 Porsches, right? And then the Arizona themed car was amazing. The lady who made the car like talked so much with me. It was so nice. And now I want a Genesis coupe. Currently in the Ferrari section. A lot of Ferraris. This one looks really cool. The Frank Ocean song, White Ferrari. When I get a Ferrari when I'm older, it's definitely gonna be like this kind of color or this. I just love the Ferrari red. There are also McLarens here, of course. Absolutely beautiful. Sadly, we have to go now, but that was amazing. I love cars so much. Okay, it's the next day, and Abby and I, my friend Abby and I, we're gonna go to a cafe in like 5 minutes, and we're gonna study. I don't know if we're actually gonna study because we may just talk the entire time and not get anything done, but yeah, we're gonna go to a cafe and study. Also, look at how adorable this outfit is. The headband is from Brandy Melville, the hoodie is from Subdued, and then the jeans I wore yesterday from Hollister. It's very Rory Gilmore. Also, I usually don't wear headbands because I always wear headphones, but this headband is cute. It's like the first time I'm ever wearing it. We're at Starbucks right now, and they have plates. They actually have plates, and they also have glasses. Since when is this a thing? I realized I have nothing to do, so I'm playing Dress to Impress, and there was an update. Taking absolutely forever to load, and I also like never play on my computer, so I needed to figure out all the stuff. But this looks so cute. Also, the Wi-Fi here is absolutely horrible. So yeah, we did as we said. We did not lock in, but at least we're getting stuff done. She's looking at CD players.
Yeah, find more CDs.
This is the one. Look how cute that is.
It's so cute. Just don't mind the price.
Yeah.
Just don't look at that. But like everything else is so cute.
Yeah.
I need to get Lana Del Rey, Frank Ocean, a lot of 90s. If my dad ever finds my mom's CDs.
Yeah.
Because she was a 90s queen. Literally.
As I mentioned earlier, I'm making a club for my school, and I'm currently working on a poster. This is not gonna say New Year's resolutions. It's gonna say Women in Motorsport. I love Canva so much, and this is Michelle Mouton. She was an amazing rally driver. I have been walking in, but kind of like not really. And I also want to show you guys my key. Look how cute that looks. Like, my inspiration is Abby. She gave me this Lululemon one. This is my like wallet thing. It's from Thread. Sorry it's so loud, by the way. My friend Lily has this one, but in like blue treasure, because disgusting over here. This is because my favorite F1 driver is Carlos Sainz, and his nickname is Chili. Helsky's Glossier keychain thing that I got just because, and then earbuds because I can't go anywhere without listening to music.
So we got that chewy fudgy brownie mix, family size, and then we're gonna eat it in an hour.
Yes, while
make ourselves
watching.
Feel sick.
Yeah, while watching To All the Boys I've Loved Before. And also, look at what. Look, Dolly.
Dolly's my queen.
She's so cute. I love how like pink it is. She's our Barbie.
Are we?
I love Valentine's Day, even though it's literally just a marketing thing. Like, I do not care. I love it so much. Like, I love pink. I love the red. I love the white. Like, I just love it. I'm currently in the library just because my mom came home and she was like, "Hey, let's go to the library." So we are. I am currently looking for Reed, Taylor Jenkins Reid. She's an amazing writer, but I think her books are gone. I want to read what's her name? Carrie Soto is back, and Daisy Jones and the Six. Both, like, she's an amazing writer. I read Malibu Rising and The Seven Husbands of Evelyn Hugo all in one sitting. Like, I read them in one sitting. Amazing. But I don't think that she's here. I didn't find anything by Taylor Jenkins Reid. Or I also try to look for Babel, which is like a story about like dark academia inspired. It seems very interesting. Haley Pham read it and she said it was pretty good. But I'm gonna get The Secret History just because also it seems really good. Dark academia inspired. It looks really big. It looks also very mishandled. I feel pretty bad for it. Oh my gosh, look, it's snowing. Guys, guess why I'm in the kitchen, and guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna bake. I feel like every single video I'm baking brownies or like I'm baking in some sort of way, but because it's snowing right now, I need some like sweet stuff. Like I really want something sweet right now, and my mom too. So also I feel like I'm acting so differently in this vlog. Like I'm actually talking more, I'm actually like doing stuff. Like this is actually a vlog instead of what I usually do, and I just like record stuff. And but like I'm also gonna add some chocolate chips because I want the most amount of chocolate I can get right now. It's definitely undercooked. So good. I got the thing from Whole Foods, I think. Okay, don't mind my hair. I was trying something out, but I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed this video. I hope you did too. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, which is coming very... Oh, the hair is crazy. Anyways, the next video is coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. Love you. Bye.